Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate 64 megapixel camera in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, open camera in your phone and go to more button and you will have 64 megapixel 64 MP. Just click it and now take picture. I would like to take this picture, and this picture will be of high quality with 48 megapixel. I am taking another one and open the picture that you took. Megapixel will be of 48 MP. So in this way you can easily activate 48 megapixel camera in your phone Vivo V21e 4G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.